Hi, my name's Zoe from My Life Skills Academy. We're going to be making some drums today. They're very simple drums. I'm keeping it simple so that you can cover them in what you want to cover them in. Now, this one here was a gravy carton, and this one here was to do with the tin. It gives a slightly different sound, but they work the same. Now, what you do is you get your card and you put your card round the container and mark where you need to cut that off. So that's what you need to do with your card. Now you can either, at the back, stick it with some sellotape or use some glue. This is really whatever is handy to you. So that's what you need to do. You need to get your card, roll it round, like I'm doing there. And mark where you need to cut the excess off. Once you've done that, and you've stuck it with either your sellotape or your glue, you then need to use a balloon. I've got a red or a gold here. And then you need to cut the balloon. So we cut the balloon. Once you've cut the balloon, this is really a two-man job because it's quite fiddly. So you're going to need two of you. So you would take the top off, put that over the top, and then slide that over. Once you've got that fully done, as I say, it does need two of you to do it because it's quite fiddly. Once you've got that done, you secure your tin with an elastic band. I've got some elastic bands here. And then you can create anything with your tin. Either you can draw on your tin, paint on your tin. I've got some shells here that you can use some shells. You can stick them on your tin. So that's really what you're doing with your tin. So it gives you a different sound. Now, I've got some chopsticks here as some drumsticks. So this is what it sounds like. I hope this gives you some ideas.